two giants in domain and hosting go head-to-head, Namecheap vs GoDaddy. Which one really delivers? On the left, Namecheap, affordable domains and hosting with speed. And on the right, GoDaddy, the big brand, classic pick that's known for being easy to use. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Before we start, here's a quick map of everything we're gonna look at today: price, performance and uptime, security, features and value, support and ease of use, and international reach. Every category really does tip the scales, so keep an eye out for those subtle differences. Okay, first up, price. So Namecheap is all about the budget life. Hosting can be as low as like $1.58 a month, sometimes even less for the first year on domains. And you know, the renewal rates stay pretty fair, which isn't always a given in the hosting world. But if you want those snazzy advanced features, you might need to step up to a pricier tier. Now GoDaddy, it's a little classic in all the wrong ways here. Sure, they'll throw you an occasional intro deal, but after that, hosting jumps up to almost $7 a month, and renewals on domains get way more expensive compared to their tempting first-year offers. Not exactly the bargain hero here, so yeah, the value king in price is definitely Namecheap. Moving on to performance and uptime. Now this is fun. Namecheap actually clocks in with faster site speeds when you look at independent tests. They even promise a 100% uptime SLA, which like barely anyone does anymore. The only thing, their storage is the standard solid-state drive, so nothing hyper fancy there. GoDaddy, though, comes with a super sturdy network of global data centers. If you're dealing with a ton of traffic, GoDaddy handles it pretty well, honestly. But real-world speed tests show it's just not as snappy as Namecheap. Oh, and GoDaddy's uptime guarantee is 99.9%. Good, but hey, not 100. Winner for zippy performance and max reliability, Namecheap. Now, security. Namecheap gets you a free SSL certificate with every plan, which is nice, plus free domain privacy. Seriously loving that for all plans. Some heavy-duty DDoS protection, though, only comes if you're paying for a higher-tier plan. On GoDaddy's side, they do give you a free SSL for your first year of hosting, and there's basic domain privacy, but sometimes you gotta pay extra for that. And honestly, if you're sticking around longer or want more security, those SSLs can start racking up costs. Security is all about peace of mind, and Namecheap really nails it in this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Namecheap was founded in 2000 and GoDaddy in 1997? So yeah, they've been rivals forever and both handle millions of domains for users all over the globe. That's pretty wild. Let's talk features and value, because free stuff matters, right? Namecheap is laying it on thick. Free domain, free email, even with their bottom-of-the-barrel hosting plan, plus you get automated backups twice a week and free website migration. That's a lot, but a little hitch: they don't do phone support, it's just chat or email. GoDaddy swings in with daily backups on all hosting, a free year of Microsoft 365 email on some plans, and their site builder is genuinely easy, especially if you're new. Fair warning, a lot of their juicy add-ons cost extra, and honestly their lowest tier plan doesn't give you much upfront. This one feels even, but Namecheap's freebies are a huge pull for some people. Alright, now support and ease of use. Namecheap's got 24/7 chat support, and honestly their dashboard is pretty slick, easy to navigate. But here's where GoDaddy kinda shines. They do both live phone and chat support 24/7, so if you're freaking out at 3 a.m., that's a huge plus. Plus, their interface is about as beginner-friendly as it gets. Downside? Sometimes you're on hold forever, especially weekends, but for pure handholding and simplicity, GoDaddy takes it in support and ease. International reach? This one's a little more behind the scenes, but matters if you're not US-based. Namecheap is pretty popular worldwide, but GoDaddy really goes hard with global data centers and local language support. If you want something with more reach, GoDaddy pulls ahead here. So after laying it all out, you can see Namecheap is crushing it on price, performance, and security, while GoDaddy flexes in support and global reach. The differences are honestly super clear if you look at everything side by side. So my take: if you're chasing every penny, care about security, and want fast websites for less, and don't mind chat-only support, Namecheap is like no contest. But if you're brand new, kinda nervous, and just want that phone support or a super simple dashboard, GoDaddy might just feel better. For me, Namecheap edges out overall for value and tech-savvy features, but GoDaddy is the goal for total newbies. If you love deep-dive tech battles, bookmark the channel for more honest, real-world comparisons. Because in 2025, making smarter picks saves you time, cash, and some major headaches. See you in the next one.